Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive into the essentials of your daily beauty routine, one product at a time. Now, we all know how important a good toothbrush is, right? It's more than just a tool. It's part of your everyday care for a healthier, brighter smile. Today, I'm sharing my thoughts on the Oral-B Pro 100 CrossAction Battery Powered Toothbrush in sleek black. It promises to deliver a deeper clean than your regular manual toothbrush. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's find out. Now, if you're struggling with plaque buildup or gum sensitivity, this might be just the game changer you need. Before we get into the details, make sure you hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you never miss a review from Beautyistic. Let's dive in. The Oral-B Pro 100 is designed to provide a thorough clean with its cross-action brush head, featuring a round shape that targets each tooth individually. The design feels professional, with a battery-powered mechanism that offers consistent performance, and it comes with 2 AA batteries to get you started. This toothbrush is compatible with several Oral-B brush heads, such as Sensitive, Gum Care, Floss Action, and 3D White, offering you some flexibility for different oral care needs. After incorporating the Oral-B Pro 100 into my daily routine for a few weeks, I was pleasantly surprised by how easy it was to use. The handle is ergonomic and fits comfortably in the hand. The brush's battery-powered function provides a nice, consistent vibration, giving you a solid clean without needing to exert much effort. I love how the round brush head fits snugly along my gum line and between my teeth, offering that smooth, fresh clean you expect from an electric toothbrush. Now, what stood out the most was its performance. The cross-action bristles are angled, which helps reach areas where plaque tends to build up the most, and after using it, my gums felt noticeably healthier. It didn't irritate my sensitive gums either, which is a big plus. It's clear that Oral-B put a lot of thought into the design of this toothbrush to ensure it delivers on its promise of plaque removal. On the flip side, there were a couple of minor things to note. While the performance was great, it's not as powerful as some of the higher-end models out there, especially when it comes to the vibration strength. If you're used to something more intense, this might feel a little gentle. Also, the battery life could be better. It's consistent, but it's worth keeping an eye on if you're using it for long periods. Pros: the Oral-B Pro 100 definitely delivers on its promise of thorough plaque removal and improved gum health. The cross-action brush head makes it easy to get a tooth-by-tooth clean, and the design is user-friendly and comfortable. Plus, it's compatible with a variety of Oral-B brush heads, giving you some customization options. Cons? It's a bit on the gentle side in terms of vibration strength, and while the battery life is reliable, I do wish it lasted a little longer between replacements. In terms of value for money, this toothbrush is definitely on the more affordable side compared to others in the market, and considering its performance, it's a solid buy. It's perfect for someone looking to upgrade from a manual brush without spending too much. However, if you're after the high-powered, all the bells and whistles kind of toothbrush, this might not meet all your expectations. Comparing it to other electric toothbrushes, the Oral-B Pro 100 offers great value for its price. You'll find similar designs with higher vibration intensity, but those usually come at a higher cost. The cross-action head does a fantastic job of cleaning, and it's one of the more affordable electric options on the market. As for build quality, the toothbrush feels sturdy, but it's lightweight, which makes it easy to maneuver. The design is sleek and functional, with a matte black handle that feels premium without being overly flashy. It's not a bulky, multi-featured device, but it gets the job done effectively. Now, if you're wondering about how long it lasts over time, the Oral-B Pro 100 holds up well. I've been using it consistently for a while, and it still delivers the same clean I got on day one. Just remember, you'll need to replace the brush head every few months for optimal performance, as you would with any electric toothbrush. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. In terms of customer support, I haven't had to reach out personally, but Oral-B has a reputation for being responsive. Should you need help, Their customer service team is known for handling inquiries and product issues efficiently. As for alternatives, if you're looking for something with similar value, there are budget-friendly options like the Philips Sonicare Essence that might offer similar cleaning power at a comparable price. However, if you're after something more specialized for gum care or whitening, there are more advanced models that cater to those needs, but you'll pay a premium. In conclusion, the Oral-B Pro 100 is a great entry-level electric toothbrush. It does a solid job at cleaning, provides excellent plaque removal, and is gentle enough for those with sensitive gums. While it's not the most powerful model on the market, it's a great option for anyone looking for reliable performance at a budget-friendly price. If you're looking for a straightforward, effective toothbrush, I'd say this is a solid choice. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.